think it was one of my favourite, most expensive short trips ever. So yeah, coming down to what looks like the end of the town here, and then we're going to whip this left. Oh, so if anyone's looking for names of streets on this one, it's just basically the main street in Kells. So I wouldn't worry too much about it. Very hard to get lost, you know. In a small city like this, if you start seeing loads and loads of houses, turn around. There's a nice little centre. That's where you'll get your local little foods and drinks and newspaper and your breakfast wraps in the morning. If you haven't have a breakfast roll. A lot of people prefer the roll. I like the wraps. And I know it might sound gank, but try a breakfast roll with a bit of garlic mayonnaise on the bottom. Put the breakfast roll on top and then ketchup on top. Oh, so lovely, so fattening, so good. I'm insomnia. For those who have issues waking up in the morning. Not me. I have issues staying asleep. So yeah, you drink coffee, you're gonna have insomnia. And then this is the main road that we were just on there a second ago. We went behind this to the left, we're parallel. So it's a small little village. You know, the day today it has what you need, you know, if you were to relocate. Seems friendly enough. And they're barbers. Barbers are very popular. I don't know, I'm bald, so I don't really go to them. There's a pub. I think once you have a few decent pubs and a few decent shops, you're sorted. You know, pop into town, grab what you need. And there's another one, there's Fair Barbers. My good God. Oh, that looks like a nice big butcher's, I suppose. Out in the sticks. You get nice barbers that, you know, gets the proper cuts of beef. You know, they probably have the cow right out the back. Oh, that's probably sad. Sorry, people who are vegan or vegetarian. Right. So, where are we now with time? Ooh, 14 minutes. This looks like it's a three-parter, and I've got 1 minute left to get to where I park my car. Which, by the way this town is designed, it's down this way. So, cross the road at the yellow house without dying. And then we get back to our car. So if you like these little part 1, 2, 3s, let me know in the comments. I could do them longer if you want, but a lot of people get bored. Everyone wants faster information and stuff like this. I enjoy doing the walking tours, just walking around. So I'm not going to change that, but I can edit them up, chop them up to be 5 minutes 20 or so. So I hope they're going down well. And then I think every second day as well. Now when I get a lot of content, I'll probably do them every day or every second day, or twice a day, sorry, not every second day, because that's what I'm doing at the moment. Anyway, just filling it up with the last minute that I have, and I'm going to call it that for Kells. Nice little village. And then we're going to have some ancient Ireland history for the next few videos. And then, well, I have no idea, because I should be coming back from Thailand by then, if everything goes to plan. I hope it does. 2 years in the making. Anyway, peace out.